Once you've installed and set up your VBOUT Shopify plugin, you are ready to launch your e-commerce marketing campaigns. Here are some of the few things that you will notice changed on your VBOUT dashboard. The first thing, under the website tracking, you'll notice a product feed being sent to us automatically. Every product you have in your catalog should appear here, and you'll have access to this catalog directly from the VBOUT landing pages and email templates. It makes it a lot easier to tap into photos, descriptions, and names and directly from VBOUT. The second thing is the appearance of a new list called e-commerce under your contacts. All your purchases will be added directly to that list. And when you click on profiles, you will notice their activities being captured, whether it's an e-commerce order or an abandoned cart. Either way, those order details will be captured in VBOUT. On your automations, you'll have additional triggers. One of them is an abandoned cart, which VBOUT automatically detects. Completed orders, so you can send order follow-ups. And you can also do custom events with loyalty campaigns. We have launched over 30 triggers available for you based on purchase behaviors, from lifetime value, type of products they ordered, and all that important stuff. On your templates, you will notice a new design section for e-commerce, and this will allow you to tap into your store feed. This actually checks out the products that I showed you before. You can drop in an abandoned cart widget, and this will let you kind of tap into the abandoned cart for that particular user. You can customize the colors, the look and feel, and do the settings as you see fit. Last but not least, you have all the reporting at your fingertip that are relevant to your e-commerce shopping, from top buyers to checkout funnel and how it's performing. Enjoy!